The transient cut is about versatility and movement, allowing you to complement your client's natural texture. We use this technique throughout our collections because it's easily adapted to many different hair types. This is an ever popular style that is effortless, suiting all clients of all ages, and that's why hairdressers love it.
Apply TIGI Copyright Split End Repair Cream and Volume Lift Styling Spray as cutting lotions. First, take a natural side parting back to the crown, then a central vertical parting from the crown to the nape. Then take 2 diagonal forward sections from the top of the occipital bone to the middle of the ears. Comb the hair to its natural fall and point cut squarely at an elevation of 1 finger's depth. Continue with diagonal forward sections from below the crown to the top of the ears. Repeat the same technique using the guide below. Next, take a horseshoe section at the high point of the recession. Continue to follow the guide from below. From the ear forwards, working horizontally, start rounding up through the side perimeter. Complete the baseline and perimeter by combing all remaining hair to its natural fall onto the established guide and point cut at a low elevation. In front of the ear, comb the hair slightly forward and reshape the graduation visually at a low elevation. Next, take a radial parting from ear to ear across the crown, then a central vertical section from the crown to the nape. Comb and over-direct the hair 90 degrees. Point cut square off the round of the head, using the length from the perimeter as a guide. Continue pivoting around the crown and over-direct each section back to the previous section to increase weight towards the front. To maintain a consistent weight throughout the perimeter, shift the elevation slightly higher with each section. Note the change of hand and body position and repeat the same technique on the opposite side. In front of the ear, continue with slight diagonal forward sections. Overdirect back to each previous section and point cut square to the round of the head. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side while maintaining the same body position. Reapply Copyright Volume Lift Styling Spray for added support, then blow dry with a TIGI large round brush to smooth the cuticle and create movement. To detail and soften the shape, use slicing through the surface layers. Apply TIGI Copyright Color Luster Oil for high shine and natural definition. Finish with TIGI Copyright Volume Finishing Spray to give a light hold.